ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ulampang jong ke yeng dor bar thaan ke jelna uba medba lingdo haga arpu santrik ubna naiwing arajar arpu wei ulaong ba undang haban bishar benya aswa bin pabin ya ke sithi bala IT do Dr. Mukul Sangma lembat ki khat wengut ki MLA ke seng Kongres ki bala pentip bagi la penya so ya ladi ke seng san perthai All India Trinamool Congress. Haga jing ya keren bat kilat pathai khubor uba medba ulaong ru ba yamenta unampat la ban kentho AA la ki kindon an jong ka kernit ka basipo ka riti sanchar kari India ka ailat ni yikini ki khat arngut ban kenti ding per na ka seng Congress shaka All India Trinamool Congress.
Procedural exercise that was done by the Honorable Speaker, and then we have completed the whole procedural exercise. So we are privileged to have an audience on that, and we are thankful to that. Laid down procedure is there, so hopefully the whole exercise as per the laid procedure will be completed by the Honorable Speaker based on this. The whole exercise of following the procedure as per what is required to conform with the provision which is again provided under the relevant powers of the 10th schedule of the Constitution of India. Okay, it's like that.
So I have received a letter submitted by the 12 MLAs who are all from the Congress party, and they have also mentioned there that they have joined the All India Trinamool Congress. At the same time, I have received also the letter from the All India General Secretary, Abhishek Banerjee, who had also welcomed them and recognized them as members of the All India Trinamool Congress.
So have you accepted the letter?
I have received the letter. I received the letter yesterday, and I have requested all the 12 members of the assembly who belongs to the Congress party and who are split from the Congress party to ensure that all of them have signed the letter which I have received yesterday. I have requested them to come today to be present before me physically, and they have attended the letter which I have sent to them to be present today, and I have verified myself personally today. As far as the 2/3 majority, as per the 10th schedule, they have qualified for it. But the rest of the things that needs proper examination, so that due course of action will be taken. I have no comment right now as far as that thing is concerned. I will examine the matter, ensure that all steps taken by my office from here will be as per the Constitution. For others, I have nothing to say. There's no word mentioned about the specific time that has to be taken. But whatever needs to be done, that will be done at the earliest. First of all, as I have mentioned, that the letter which I received yesterday, that is the first step that I have received. Second is that they have present today, physically all 12 of them. And now, since they've just left just now, so I need some time to examine the matter and to communicate to them accordingly. As of now, I cannot say anything as far as that is concerned. What it appears that, which demands 2/3, so that somehow I could see that it is justified for them, that they can move on. But even then, I will examine the matter thoroughly and take necessary. Unless I come to a conclusion about the decision that I'm going to take as far as the letter is concerned, I think it will not be wise for me to say